crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And in today's video, I am going to show you in more detail how I organize my Christmas crafty card. I show you a clip in my Instagram account around here, and this is like a more in detail organizational video. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch how I organize my Christmas supplies in the crafty cart. Hello my crafty friends, so this is another organizational video. I am going to show you how I organize my Christmas crafty cart, and we're also going to see what are inside those iris cases. So yeah, this is what I have so far. So let's look at the top. The top, I have all the sequin mixes, clay bits, etc. that I have purchased in the past couple of years. This is a new purchase. It's called Media Gloss, and then, my goodness, I got these probably in a show. Distress glitter. And then looking over here, I have some washi tape, little spoons, scoops to get my sequin mix, and this is where I will put sequin mixes, you know, when I mix stuff. So then I got this other one, and of course I have all my sequin mixes in this container that I bought at Dollar Tree. And then this is what I got at Spooky Boo. Shara Crane was selling these, so got more. Then over here I have some of the embossing folders, metal dies, and yeah, this one, it's from Scrap Diva 29. It's a Halloween bow, but guess what? I'm just gonna do my regular bows. That's why I got it too as well. And then these are from Cxmas. Oh my goodness, this is super old. Now that the bows are in fashion, those so. And I have Merry Christmas. What else I have here? Oh, this is so cute. I remember I made tags out of these penguin. A lot of work. And then some stamps here and there. Then on the other side, I have these nice cute tags from Sarah Hearts. Some poinsettias, flowers. Then straws, chenille stems, some distress cards for tags from Team Halls. Then here on the second one, hopefully I'm not making you dizzy here, but it's like a hodgepodge of things that I have collected in the past years. My goodness, I think this was from Target last year or the previous year. I got some trims, bells, little picks, more washi tape, and little bits of everything. Cupcakes, linings, and oh my goodness, snow cocoa and cocoa. I remember I detached a couple of those, but I kept like one version. And then this is mittens and mistletoe, the tassels, cute little pom-poms. This one, I remember I got these at Marshall last year, I believe. Yeah, and then, oh my goodness, what else I have here? Mittens and mistletoe, little charms. This is Team Holtz. And then I got this other case. Couple of, let's take a look what we have here. All right, so I do have here, I'm gonna come closer. I know my table is just messy. Bear with me. And what do I have here? I'm doing this with one hand. This is Team Holtz. Little, oh, these are stickers. Nice. And then I think I received these ink swabs. Wired, wrapped beads. What else I have here? You know, oh, I remember this was last year's swap, and I just look at this gorgeous embellishment. Isn't that cute? Then more things here and there. Yeah, so this is where I contain things here. It's been a busy week. And what else I have here? So this wooden crate I got at famous Target. You remember the milk and cookie? Yeah, Target. Over here I have some acrylic paints, glue. What else I have there? More glue. And then here we go with these. Oh, I'll show you these. My iris cases. Let me see what I have here. Because I did good last year. I purchased a lot, and of course, let's open this up. My goodness, everything is a mess here. Oh, this is a card that I made years ago. Look at this, how cute. I have a die. Isn't that cute? It's probably 6-year-old card. Then I got these, you know, how to make a Santa with punches, which is a good thing. And I remember I got this online, and this is from, forgot the name of the company. Look at that. So pretty, right? And then here I believe I have all kinds of tags, you know, die cuts vintage. So as you see, I group things, right? So I know what to look for. Simple stories, bits and pieces, mix and mingle. I can't remember if I bought these, but like the whole collection, but at least I have the ephemera, and these are tags that I made, you know, from scraps, from crepe paper, you know, collections. I'm like, you know, I'm not gonna throw away everything. I'm just gonna, whatever is left, I'm gonna make tags, and someday I will use them, and that's why they're here. Then over here I have I believe these are ephemera from Frank Garcia, one of his holidays collections. Oh, this is from one album that I made. And then chipboard. What else I have here? Look at that. Things that I received in swaps. Oh, I remember 2018 Desilu Designs. I won her contest, and she made beautiful paper crafts. And I remember this was one of hers, like a dress shaped. Look at that, how cute. Then I have more stuff around here. Chipboard from crepe paper. An embossed card. What else I have? And then more, you know, little bits of everything. This Victorian girl tag. And this is Simple Stories. Yeah, I love the company. They always come with gorgeous collections. Oh, this is Felicity James. I know this company is not in business, but you see, I bought their 2020. I believe I also have the stamp, but I bought the ephemera. It's like, you know, when companies, they go out of business, so where can you get their products again, right? So I am being hoarding on this. I can't let go. Sorry, I can't let go. Then these are some of these cute napkins, more napkins. What else I have here? Mittens and mistletoe, ephemera. I don't know what this is. Also, I believe fancy pants, ephemera, journal bits, mix and mingle from Simple Stories, Vicky Bouton, evergreen holly, more journal bits. This is another embossed tags from Felicity James. I know. And then this is Heidi Swab. Oh, this is super old. Oh, and then this Market 49 big ephemera. What else we have here? So it's a little messy, chaotic, but you know, my own mess. I understand my own mess. And then over here, I store more ephemera pieces in these plastic pouches. And oh, I believe this is Rosie Studios 2018 collection. Yeah, I remember. Let's take a look at this. Oh, I should put it out so I can do something. I need to replace my scrapbook layouts. And yeah, this is Rosie Studios. Oh my goodness, look at that. Gee. Okay, so put this away. And then what else I have here? I got tags and more die cuts that I receive in swaps. Oh, look at this one. How adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here. And then underneath I have more. Yeah, this is Simple Stories, more ephemera pieces. And then, so this is the iris case that has Christmas ephemera, right, from previous years. These are some crepe paper. What else I have here? Yeah, so not that much exciting, you know, a lot of things to go through, and I'll see what I'm keeping, what I'm tossing, and what I'm going to be using. You know, the whole goal is like, okay, I'm storing things. I need to use my supplies. And I have been doing good this year because I haven't bought that many supplies, you know, and that's my whole purpose, is to craft with what I have. Previous years, I did a lot of detach. So, yeah. And I'm going to leave these Rosie Studios pieces of ephemera out. They should go in my other drawer. Yeah, so this is the ephemera one. Then I have, what else I have here? I'm going to grab the second one. Oh, this is the iris case full of Christmas stickers. Stickers, chipboard stickers, puffy stickers, you name it. Mistletoe. Oh, I love this collection. Yeah, this is I believe this is Pink Fresh Studio. I love it. It's so cute. Heidi swap. My goodness. Oh, I remember I did a swap. That was last year or the year before, that Mommy and Me crafts, Patty, she hosted like an insert Christmas insert swap using this collection, and this is what I have left. Oh, look at these. How cute. Cute, cute, cute. I got 2 of these Pink Studios. Got more, and these are all great paper, simple stories. As you can tell, I love simple stories. And then chipboard. My goodness. Chipboard stickers. So this is a really good container, and let's see what I will be using this year. I do not have enough space to store things, and I refuse to pay a storage room, which I used to. Prior moving to this house, I had a storage room, and then I moved, and good thing I got rid of the storage. So now that I have this extra money to, work on more things. So here are 6 by 6 papers, and yes, this is basic gray. I love the company. They're not longer producing or manufacturing scrapbook paper. They are in the fabric industry now. So mistletoe, 6 by 8 pads. Oh my goodness, Merry Days. And yeah, this is the collection from Basic Gray called Nordic Holiday. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Then Frank Garcia. Oh no, this is not Frank Garcia. This is Minte. What else? Busy Sidewalks. You see, almost entire pads. And then Hey Santa. I think I use a lot of Hey Santa. I don't have that many left. And then Simple Stories. Mix and Mingle. I know, it's such a cute. And then I have some loose paper from, multiple collections. And then, of course, Frank Garcia. Santa Baby, yeah, those were the ephemera I had. Okay, so I am definitely going to put this away. And I believe this video is so long, but I'm definitely going to scrapbook. Hey crafty friends, so if you have watched the entire video, thank you very much. If you are new and if you like it, subscribe. It's free, it won't cost you anything, and it will help the channel to reach out to other individuals who might be interested in this type of content. So thanks again for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.